how to completely disable Android camera. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the camera on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with disabling the camera on our Android phone, the first thing we need to do is simply swipe up from the bottom and then go down and select Settings. Once we're in the settings, the first thing we're going to do is disable the camera app on our Android phone. And keep in mind that your settings might look a little bit different, but you should be able to find similar menu items if they are different. So in the settings, we're going to select Apps, and then we need to find a full list of our apps. So we're going to select See All Apps. Now just find and select Camera, and then select Disable. Now it's going to warn us that some items will no longer work correctly, and this just means our camera will no longer work. So go ahead and disable app. And now the camera app has been disabled. From here, in order to prevent any other apps from accessing the camera on our phone, all we need to do is go back to the main page of the settings, scroll down until we get to Security and Privacy. Once in Security and Privacy, scroll down and select Privacy. Then in Privacy, scroll down and you'll see Controls, Camera Access for apps and services. Toggle that off and the camera can no longer be used by any app on your phone. So if I open up Google Drive and try to scan something using the camera, you can see that it is blocked. So no apps on my phone can use the camera. All right, so that's how you disable the camera on an Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out.